sub-rule 1 and 2 of Rule 340 of the Assembly Rules, that Sri Guntakandla Jagdish Reddy, member, named by the Speaker, may be suspended from the services of the House for remainder of the session.
Motion moved. The question is that under sub-rule 1 and rule 2 of Rule 340 of the Assembly Rules, that Sri Guntakandla Jagdish Reddy, member named by the Speaker, be suspended from the services of the House for remainder of the session. Those who are for the motion, please say ayes. Those who are against, please say no. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. The motion is carried, and the member named by the Speaker is suspended from the services of the House for remainder of the session.